Welcome to Purity Life's new line introductions, where we introduce you to new and exciting brands and tell you what they're all about. I'm Samantha Gladish, and in this month's September-October catalog video, we're excited to be featuring 14 brands with great new products. To learn more about any of the 14 brands being featured, feel free to click on any of the items on screen. You can always navigate back to the main menu at any time. Chorus Supernatural is a comprehensive product line that uses 100% naturally derived ingredients. Chorus has sourced 4 super ingredients from Vancouver Island to form the foundation of all their products. They are very excited to be launching their new marine phytoplankton nutritional supplement, Chorus Thrive. Sustainably cultivated from the pristine coastal waters off Vancouver Island, Chorus Thrive contains more than 60 wild individual species of plankton. These microalgae are a nutritionally dense superfood and are thought to contain every nutrient the human body requires. There are an astonishing number of health benefits associated with this incredible supplement. Among other things, it is rich in antioxidants, helps the body to metabolize fats and proteins, helps in the development and maintenance of bones, cartilage, teeth, and gums, and helps in connective tissue formation. Even better, the process of growing and harvesting these amazing life forms helps to remove carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. In fact, cultivation of these plankton help to remove as much CO2 in a single day as an acre of trees would remove over the course of a whole year. Chorus Thrive Marine Phytoplankton is a supplement that's not only great for you, but for the planet too. Genestra Brands has been instrumental in driving probiotic science and innovation for over 30 years. Their probiotic consortium, known as Human Microflora, HMF, is one of the most studied probiotic cultures in the world. HMF probiotics are available in a variety of potencies and formats to suit individual needs, including gluten-free, dairy-free, and FOS-free formulations. HMF probiotics support the growth of beneficial bacteria in your intestines, promoting a healthy gastrointestinal system. Their comprehensive range of products features research-driven strains to assist individual needs, from daily use to condition-specific support. Each capsule of HMF Multistrain and Multistrain 50 provides 16 and 15 different probiotic strains, respectively, to support daily digestive health. Available in convenient once-daily capsule formats, these products are an easy way to maintain a healthy balance of bacteria in your intestines. In addition to supporting daily health, HMF probiotics are formulated for condition-specific needs. HMF Antibiotic Care is proven to supplement the normal intestinal microbiota following antibiotic therapy. HMF IBS Relief has been shown to help reduce severity of IBS symptoms and days with pain, while improving satisfaction with bowel habits and overall quality of life within 6 weeks. With the important link between digestive and immune health, probiotics may be particularly useful for children in daycare settings, where germs spread frequently and quickly. In a recent clinical trial, HMF's Fit for School probiotic formula was shown to decrease school children's URTI symptom incidence by 33% and reduce school absenteeism by 30%. Each delicious blackcurrant flavored chewable tablet also contains vitamin C and D. Genestra Brands is proud to offer products that are free of common allergens to ensure that individuals with food sensitivities can benefit from their high-quality products. In addition, their probiotics are non-GMO and vegan-friendly. Many studies have demonstrated that Genestra Brands' HMF probiotics survive stomach acid and prevent bad bacteria from multiplying in your gut. Their probiotics have also been thoroughly studied in clinical trials for their ability to support intestinal health, the gold standard for research. It's no wonder Genestra products are trusted by naturopathic doctors all across Canada. Hidden Garden Foods is a British Columbia-based company that makes Canada's sneakiest cookies. What makes them so sneaky? They have a hidden half serving of vegetables, but don't worry, you probably won't notice. In addition to having a half serving of vegetables, these cookies are gluten-free, tree nut and peanut free, and made with no artificial ingredients. Hidden Garden cookies come in 4 different flavors: chocolate chip with pumpkin, red velvet with beets, ginger snaps with butternut squash, and cocoa cherry with spinach. They all come in 150-gram bags with bright, fun packaging. The chocolate chip cookies also come in a convenient 40-gram grab-and-go sized bag, which provides additional merchandising opportunities. If you're wondering how much is a half serving of vegetables, every 4 of these mini cookies provides 1/4 to a half cup of vegetables, which is a lot to squeeze into a cookie and still have the cookie taste really good. The Homemade Organics Company is a proud Canadian company that specializes in handcrafting their own signature brand of the safest and healthiest certified organic, vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free, eco-friendly products for the whole family. Their certified organic product line ranges from mom and baby care, bath and body care, skincare, and home cleaning products. All products are safe and healthy for everyone, including men, women, children, and babies. When it comes to their organic certification and products, they don't beat around the bush. All of the Homemade Organics Company premium products are proudly certified organic according to the USDA National Organic Program through ProCert. Did you know that the Homemade Organics Company is a proudly certified cruelty-free and vegan company through PETA's Beauty Without Bunnies program? Because they are. You will never find any animal products or byproducts in their line, and they never test anything on animals. All of the Homemade Organics Company products are handcrafted in Canada with love and made from the purest certified organic ingredients without any dangerous chemicals, pesticides, alcohols, or additives. Goodbye poison. Internal Flush is an extremely safe cleansing product that has over 16 years of history of consumer results. It is the original diet cleansing product. Internal Flush helps cleanse the intestinal tract, breaking up impacted waste and toxic buildup. This results in the safe and effective removal of excess waste and toxins from the body, leaving you feeling lighter, healthier, and happier. Internal Flush offers a safe and effective way to cleanse the small and large intestine and also help to relieve constipation without cramping or discomfort. This proven formula has natural ingredients that help to remove impacted waste and toxins and includes a high-quality probiotic that replaces healthy flora back into the intestines where they are needed. Set yourself up for success right from the start with Internal Flush. Clean Athlete is a line of NSF-certified supplements developed for athletes by athletes to provide a strong foundation to live healthy, train smart, and compete at the highest level. Their complete line of science-based supplements is designed to support an active lifestyle and give you everything you need and nothing you don't. Both amateur and professional athletes continuously push their limits in pursuit of their goals. Clean Athlete products promote peak performance to support an athlete's training and overall well-being. Products like their Clean Multivitamin, a combination of vitamins and minerals that play vital roles in maintaining peak performance, are intended to be taken each day to provide a solid foundation. And because athletes face obstacles that test their physical and mental limits, the Clean Athlete line includes products like Clean Omega to help support cardiovascular and cognitive health. We know that athletes also need tools on hand to help rebound from rigorous training sessions or intense competitions. Clean Athlete offers products like Clean Recovery, a delicious milk chocolate flavored powder with a 4:1 ratio of carbohydrates to protein to support post-workout recovery. Clean Athlete is tested and certified by the NSF Certified for Sport program, which means each of their products is meticulously tested and 100% free of all banned substances. Clean Athlete formulas are proven through sound science, support your active lifestyle, and give you everything you need and nothing you don't. No wheat, gluten, or artificial colors, flavors, or sweeteners. Clean Athlete is an official partner of the Major League Baseball Players Association and the official supplement brand of USA Water Polo and the Action Hagen Berman Cycling Team. Manufactured in Canada by Farm Canada and distributed by Vivo Canadian, Natura One products are carefully formulated to satisfy the needs of Canadians who have specific dietary requirements, such as vegetarians or those on a halal diet, to help maintain their well-being. Natura One provides innovative natural products that deliver a wide range of health solutions, such as age-specific key nutrients, joint health, cardiovascular health, omega nutrition, and sexual well-being, with more exciting solutions coming soon. All the Natura One products are halal, kosher, and gluten-free. Wherever possible, veggie capsules or caplets are packaged in convenient, safe blister packs. Passion X for Men uses the synergistic effect of 8 herbs to help support sexual performance within 60 minutes. Natura One wants to see people happy and healthy by providing natural products that are required to maintain a healthy body. Canadian made, Canadian price. High quality ingredients without the high-end pricing. With over 50 high-quality ingredients in the production of the Nova Scotia Fisherman line, all of their soaps, lip and body balms are handmade in the beautiful Annapolis Valley. The line includes bar soaps, lip care, a cuticle and rescue balm, hand and body lotions, and scrubs. All products are mildly scented with natural ingredients that appeal to both men and women. This product line is a crowd pleaser for the whole family. Nova Scotia's sea kelp from the pristine shores of Canada's ocean playground is in all the Nova Scotia Fisherman line of products, chock full of skin-loving vitamins, antioxidants, and minerals that condition and moisturize your skin. Fundy Clay and Mint is made in Nova Scotia using great local ingredients such as kelp, apple cider, and clay. They use traditional cold process methods to produce a hard, long-lasting bar for all their soaps. A portion of each sale goes to support the Nature Conservancy of Canada, so that each bar helps you and the planet too. Today, people are becoming more aware of what is in their food and supplements, and more importantly, what they don't want in them. People want organic, GMO-free, whole food dietary supplements without synthetics or steroids. Nova Scotia Organics offers top quality, certified organic, whole food-based supplements. Nova Scotia Organics has something for everyone who wants to live a healthy, active, and organic lifestyle at every stage of life. Their extensive product line includes vitamin and minerals, including multivitamins, herbal supplements and tinctures, pre- and probiotics, greens, and smoothie mixes. Nova Scotia Organics also offers a family of targeted solution products. These include nausea relief, Finally Sleep, men's sexual health, and bone builder supplements. Nova Scotia Organics currently offers 4 multivitamins for men, women, pre- and postnatal women, and women over 50. They also offer 9 vitamin and mineral formulas, including a children's chewable vitamin C, 6 herbal supplements, and 14 herbal tinctures, 5 herbal solution formulas, and finally 4 powders, including ground chia seeds, pre- and probiotics, greens, and a smoothie mix. All of Nova Scotia's Organics products are made without the use of synthetic binders, processing aids, lubricants, or coating ingredients. You will not find ingredients like corn maltodextrin, shellac, or silicone dioxide on their labels. At Nova Scotia Organics, organics are not a line extension. It's their passion and it's all they do. Paleo Ethics is proud to offer a revolutionary full-line sports nutrition brand focused on supporting a paleo lifestyle. Paleo Ethics is unlike any other sports nutrition brand on the market. They're creating an entirely new category of products. Paleo Ethics is formulated with simple, whole food and herbal ingredients and contain no dairy, eggs, nuts, added sugar, soy, corn, gluten, or GMOs. No gimmicks or outrageous claims here, just pure, effective ingredients. The product line boasts 3 protein powders, 2 meat-based formulas offered in vanilla and chocolate flavors, and a 3rd vegan formula comprised of chlorella, hemp, spirulina, moringa, and a small amount of pea protein. Paleo Ethics offers a unique herbal-based pre-workout called Surge. This formula is completely different than your average pre-workout supplement, and its naturally invigorating ingredients means you can look forward to a clear mind and a focused workout. Surge gives your body a boost of natural energy without any sugar or caffeine. It supports the body's metabolism and is 100% vegan. Paleo Ethics Greens is an ultra-potent all-green supplement uniquely formulated with specific raw materials to make a 100% natural, clean-tasting product without the need for artificial flavors. Paleo Ethics Rebuild Recover is a post-workout supplement formulated with simple ingredients to support the body's replenishment needs and boost recovery after a workout. Rebuild Recover is made of grass-fed beef protein to build muscle, coconut water to naturally restore electrolytes, sweet potato for essential vitamins, and uses natural flavors. The product line also includes a new Recovery Matrix Nighttime Hot Tea in both vegan and non-vegan options. Recovery Matrix helps support muscle rebuilding with amino acids, while zinc and magnesium improve quality of sleep. PaleoEthics' fantastic, revolutionary line of products is perfect for CrossFit enthusiasts, weekend warriors, and more. Simply Organic is the brand that provides pure, delicious flavor for premium quality organic seasonings, baking extracts, and meal solution seasoning mixes. The line includes organic spices, seasoning blends, peppercorn grinders, baking extracts and flavors, dips, chili mixes, pasta mixes, and gravies. These products are perfect for health-minded consumers looking for quality ingredients when they cook. All Simply Organic products are non-irradiated, certified organic, and certified kosher. Providing premium quality and premium taste, the spices are available in large glass containers, providing a quality product with the value price per gram. Simply Organic Vanilla is sourced from Madagascar and provides a pure, great-tasting vanilla. They also offer the only alcohol-free organic vanilla product on the market. All of their products are ethically sourced, and you can feel great knowing that 1% of proceeds are given back to organic farming causes. For more information, visit simplyorganic.com. Smarty Pants Vitamins offers gummy multivitamins for both kids and adults. The line also includes men's and women's specific formulas and a prenatal multivitamin. Their latest products are more than just multivitamins, with at least 13 essential nutrients and omega-3, EPA, and DHA fish oil all in one. They use premium, non-GMO ingredients, are free of common allergens, and contain no synthetic colors, flavors, or preservatives. These tasty gummies are sweetened either using a blend of certified organic fair trade cane sugar and organic tapioca syrup, or a blend of inulin syrup and GRAS certified low-hand fruit. All of their fish oils are sourced from sustainable stocks of wild-caught anchovy and sardines. Whenever possible, Smarty Pants uses premium nutrients that are easily absorbed by the body, with a focus on nutrients that are often deficient in people's diets. And every time you buy a bottle of Smarty Pants, they make a 1-for-1 matching nutrient grant to a mother or child in need through Vitamin Angels. Just another reason to be a Smarty Pants. Vitality is a clean line of supplements made in beautiful BC. All of their products are vegan, non-GMO, and gluten and soy-free. Sold in over 300 natural health retailers in Western Canada, Vitality is now available nationally. Vitality Power Iron plus Organic Spirulina is what all the buzz is about. Powered with 45 milligrams of iron biglycinate, it also contains USDA certified organic spirulina, which has been proven to enhance iron absorption and bioavailability. Gentle on the stomach and non-constipating, this power product includes full doses of vitamin C, folic acid, and vitamin B12. Vitality's 2 time-release products are made with plant fibers for slow release and high absorption, instead of waxes and enteric coatings. These convenient 1-a-day tablets release slowly over 2 to 3 hours to support absorption of vitamins and minerals. Vitality Time Release Super Multi Plus focuses on high-potency doses of 18 essential vitamins and minerals to improve energy, mood, and immunity. While Vitality Time Release B Complete Plus C, a B60 with vitamin C 600, provides support during times of ongoing stress and fatigue. Digest Plus is fast-acting and helps heal the gut. This simple plant-based blend of papaya enzyme and golden seal starts working in the mouth by stimulating natural digestive secretions and continues into the digestive tract to reduce bad bacteria, inflammation, and help heal the gut naturally. And for customers suffering from tension, anxiety, and insomnia, there is Vitality Relax Plus. With the use of Cramp Bark, a natural muscle relaxant, this product works wonders and within 15 minutes for most adults. A Vitality registered holistic nutritionist is on staff to answer your questions. Just turn the bottle over for the toll-free number or go to vitality.ca. Why Vitality for your store? Vitality will appeal to you and your customers with a competitive price point and unique formulas, including Canada's most advanced iron product, Power Iron plus Organic Spirulina. Order Vitality now with Purity Life. Viva Pharmaceutical Inc. is a dynamic manufacturing company in the pharmaceutical and natural health product industries, using the latest technology to produce the highest quality products. Viva has been caring for and serving the health of Canadians since 1994. With U.S. patent recognition on their lead product Insozia, Viva Nutraceuticals products represent the pinnacle of Viva's 20 years of experience. In this product line, Viva is proud to provide premium health products with NPM certification to fortify the health of your sleep, vision, joints, and vitality. Additionally, many of the products have strong antioxidative properties that are very important for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Viva's products emphasize premium quality. With more than 20 years of experience, Viva has developed its own technology to ensure the consistent quality of its products. Viva has developed a revolutionary sleep aid, Insozia, by combining traditional Chinese medicine with modern technology. Insozia is an effective, natural, herbal sleep aid with U.S. patent recognition. By integrating two highly effective herbal ingredients, Insozia provides you with better sleep quality. Viva is dedicated to integrating and improving its health products. Viva is proud to introduce an effective new vision care, Eyestonia. It is a unique blend of bilberry and lutein. These new products showcases Viva's pursuit of innovation and dedication to the well-being of Canadians. Thanks so much for joining us this month. Be sure to check out the catalog and don't forget to subscribe.